K-Dub, 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 K-Dub.
What's up, y'all? We just made it to the mall. Aaron getting on my doggone nerves. We finna go get my phone fixed.
We finna try to get a phone fixed.
We finna get my phone fixed. We're at the Mall A of Louisiana. Again, but we ain't picking up AirPods this time. So, let's see what we get now.
So, alright, YouTube, they putting up a main event over there. As y'all can see, they building it right now. And if you never been, you been to a main event before? Huh? Ain't no live or nothing. So what they do at the main event, you gotta get in there. I see that thing right there. You gotta pull them in. What they got at main event, got like a lot of it's like a big area with like.
Don't worry about it next time. I just let you walk into the shit.
With like games and stuff. God, I leave this camera dark. Sorry about that, y'all. Yeah, it's like a big area with buku games and stuff like that.
So guess what, y'all? Can't get my phone fixed because it's $319 fucking dollars. Don't nobody got no $319.
Well,
I'm trying to save.
Spend.
We have it, but I ain't about to spend no money on no phone right now. That's not important. I still can call, I can text a little bit and everything, so it should be fine until I get some money saved up. We're gonna be straight. Well, I mean, I'm gonna be straight.
Yeah.
Cause Aaron's phone's still working, so I can just use his.
Oh, you're so crazy. Look at that. Got mine. That's oh. That was purpose.
What we doing now?
I don't know. Got enough to do.
I said I want to get my eyebrows arched.
Oh, it's a mall, ain't it?
Y'all think I should get my eyebrows arched? Nah, I want some froyo. Okay, we're gonna try something by Aaron House. I know a lot of people know what froyo is because it's frozen yogurt. That's a short version for it. Whatever. I liked it last time I came up here. I had his card, and I was just walking through the mall, and I tried it. This is good. Thank you.
What kind you got?
They let you try it. You don't have to pay for it. They let you do samples. So I tried a little bit of everything.
Try a little bit of everything.
Yep.
Let me get that.
Y'all, it's a beautiful day today. Look at them clouds again. Every time we get on camera, that must mean something, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, we that ninja.
First, I'm walking to that thing.
Oh, now you want to warn me?
I'm walking to that thing. You go get a car. I ain't gonna say that. Get it off.
Oh, you trying to get back at me, huh?
I do know trying to that.
All right, y'all. So I turned the air down.
Yeah.
Let me put my seatbelt on. We was talking about the main event. And if y'all wonder why my face is so doggone greasy, it's because...
You was eating chicken earlier.
No, I was not eating chicken. I have eczema, and I don't know if I said that. I'm getting emotional because everybody doesn't have eczema. You know that I'm trying. You know that I'm happy. You know that I'm trying. No. Eczema is a skin condition. It's not a disease. It's not something grand. Everybody know most people know what eczema is, but for those of you who don't know what eczema is, it's a condition where your skin, like on my, I don't know what you call this. What you call it? Forearm. On my forearms, I would get, like, I don't know if y'all can see this. It's not really red right here, but when I was little, I would get these bad red flare-ups on my forearms and on the back of my calves. And also now I have it really bad in my face. So when I left work early this morning, the type of job I do, it's dealing with a lot of movement, and it's really hot, and I get sweaty, but it's like my hands get dirty, and you know, when you wipe sweat from your face, it causes a lot of dirt to
get into your pores.
Yeah, and being that I'm sweating, I'm more vulnerable too, because my pores are open. Don't your pores open when you sweat? Yeah, so by me touching that, it's making it irritated. And you can see my face right here in this area is very irritated. So I wash my face with my little Dove sensitive skin soap that I told y'all can use for JJ. You can use it for your face too. I use that to clean my face, and then I put some oil on it because like other people who have oily skin, I have dry skin, so oil helps my face. It helps it to, you know, bring that nutrients back, you know, and I'm glowing too much. Same stuff.
It's a perfect day in Texas. It's hot.
Y'all, Aaron really want to go to Texas. It's his dream. It's his dream to go to Texas. Even though we already been to Texas. He likes the Texas.
I want to move out there. That's where I want to be. See, I gotta get out of Louisiana. There's nothing down here.
Yeah. I don't think there's too much down here for me neither, because I mean, even though me and Aaron are like day and night, we still have some things in common, like the type of people we are. It ain't gonna work in Louisiana. There's too much of the same stuff going on. Like, I love the food, I love the culture and everything, but there's, you know, more things than just Louisiana. They got all kinds of stuff out there. We could be meeting new people. There's a lot of things out there in Louisiana. I mean, not Louisiana, Texas, Mississippi, Arkansas, Atlanta,
California.
all kinds of stuff. Like, I want to move somewhere else. I do not plan on spending the rest of my life in Louisiana. I refuse to. That's what the rest of my people did, but I'm not doing it. I'm gonna take that big leap and step out of my comfort zone and travel and find new things. That's gonna be on our channel as well. Y'all gonna see us go from we right here right now, but we gonna be making major moves, you know. We just in the beginning of it, you know. Ain't that right?
Yeah, boy.
Ain't that right? Ain't that right, babe?
You get that camera on my face.
Okay, that's right. All right, y'all. We turning and we turning and we pulling up to Paradise. Paradise Smoothies. Look at him.
Ryan, it's
Weezy hot. He just opened the little door for me. Thank you. What you think? I thought you had some food that looked yummy. Metal and a locket and a wallet. Looks yummy. I can spend a day for. I'm always touching something and always break something. Question is, and if you don't pass it, I get 5 tissues on the time. What is my favorite color?
Blue.
Okay. What's my favorite food?
Red beans.
What do I like to do for fun?
A lot of stuff.
What do I do a lot for fun?
Skate.
Scare.
Skate. You said what you do a lot for fun?
Yes. No, not anymore. Now, what do I always do a lot? 5 seconds on the clock.
Miss with me.
5.
Yeah, I can do a lot of
What's one of
stuff.
my hobbies? That I do a lot.
Sing.
That's, ooh. I'm gonna let you slide with that one. That was question 3. All right, question 4.
You don't even know the question.
What is my shoe size?
A 6.5.
A lot.
It's 6.5.
No, I wear a 7.5 or an 8.
Well, you were 6.5 bars.
So you was kind of right. Okay. Oh, okay. I'll give you that. Last question. You better get it right. How much do I weigh?
180.
That's your final answer?
I can't remember how much you weighed last time.
Okay, just what you think?
170. Go with that.
I guess. I guess you passed. All right.
All right, YouTube. So I got the pineapple and green apple shaved ice. I mean, it has ice cream at the bottom of it. And Kenyatta got the strawberry and watermelon. She can't wait. Shaved ice.
So good.
With ice cream
Watermelon.
So yeah. Put that shit up here. So that's good. That's good.
All right, bro. This look good. And you know what? It tastes good. What a sweet treat. Thanks, babe. You like yours? What it tastes like?
Good.
You want to taste mine?
You get that.
Dang!
What the hell you doing? You get that sweet. I got straws on there too. If you just get that juice out your cup, you get that sweet
Sensation.
that sweet taste from the pineapple, but you get that tartness from that apple, that green apple. Shit.
Yeah, we should have ate this outside.
Let's go.
Dang.
Why you gotta open the shit so hard?
I didn't mean to. Edit that out. Look, and then I closed it back hard.
Ignorant.
You want to taste mine?
Suck some of that juice out you need to.
Not really.
Yeah.
I don't really have juice. Yours is like a juicy though. A juicy fruit.
Oh, it look like I got a little green
You want to taste mine now?
Shit, no.
Oh.
I said that.
Let me taste yours. It's good.
The ice cream make it good, real good.
It's really good. Y'all, I picked strawberry and watermelon, and like those two combinations, they go together. I don't know why. For this, they went together. I think he put condensed milk on here.
It's ice cream. At the bottom.
No, I'm talking about on top. I think he put condensed milk. If y'all have a, I don't know.
You could just go to
It's called Paradise Smoothies. They're really good.
it's called what we got is called shaved ice.
Mm-hmm.
You get it in these
And
little
it's
things
basically
right
like a snowball, right?
here. Yeah, something like that. The ice is just a little
Harder.
yeah.
We should have ate one of these by the pool or something. Been a nice day by the pool, sitting back, chillaxing. My teeth are, oh, I thought they were red.
It's crazy because you're getting something good and you're eating healthy at the same time.
Yeah, which makes it not healthy because something unhealthy is in it, the ice cream. You got the ice cream at the bottom, shaved ice in the middle, and the fruit on top.
You got the what at the bottom?
Ice cream. Just thought I said.
It's hard to say icing. Yeah, I got a lot of juice.
Okay.
Too much something like that.
We need to make a thumbnail.
Already did.
What thumbnail we make? You was screaming. What you said?
I said I'm gonna show you.
Oh. I should make a watermelon flavored ice cream. That would be so good. I don't need it. Oh, y'all. I got a strawberry something. I think it's a kind of a cupcake thing.
Strawberry cream cheese. You gonna drop that?
It's a strawberry
cream cheese.
Oh my god.
Not a cheese crease.
The strawberry cream cheese. Can y'all see that?
God, these ice cream. Hold on.
Camera not focusing on it. But yeah.
Like.
I'm gonna take a bite out of it. We're gonna see what that thing tasting like. Now, he did tell me they didn't have any nuts in here, so if I die, I'm allergic to pecans. So
strawberry cream cheese, ain't no nuts up in there.
Here we go. It smells. Doesn't really have a smell to it. Let's take a bite.
Good.
All right.
Oh, you don't buy it.
Wasn't worth $2 though. I'll eat the rest of that later.
You got a lot of fruits up in there. Now that I'm thinking about it.
That's what I want. I paid $12 for it. I would too.
No, I'm saying a lot of fruits in there that you can pick from.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry.
Come on, man.
Y'all, we need to go on a cruise. This made me think about a cruise, eating this like this.
Out there on the cruise. Eating this nice little thing rock earl. Kicking it back with your friends.
What friends?
Or with your significant other. Out in the sun. Out on the water.
Me and Aaron really don't have friends. I find that kind of weird. Like, we got friends, but we rarely hang out with them. And they really hang out with us. Is that bad? We only hang out with each other.
Yeah.
It's weird. Is it? Well, I know sometimes you need your you time. Aaron.
You saying that now?
me not to be around you. When we start staying together, we'll see. I can't stand you.
Shut up.
We'll just holler at y'all when we get back at the house.
You can't record. Are you ready to shut it off?
No, I wanted to record when we got back at the house.
Record what?
Find something to do.
I got to record. You eating slow? Like you still got a whole lot of
You always eat faster than me.
Good.
Yeah. Uh-oh. All shucky now.
It's all sucky now.
I say shucky.
Did they move?
Who?
Oh, that East Jack always was right there.
Oh, you thought they moved over a building?
Yeah, I swear they was down there.
It was always right there. I want to try the noodles.
What you call them?
Looks like that says Saigon. I don't know.
Oh, that.
Yeah. Your hand getting cold? My hand freezing. That's why I got this paper towel right here. I'm asking you like this is my car. Like I always talk about any upcoming events, not that I know of, except my birthday. Oh. Are we supposed to go to a car show?
Yeah, they got a car show on the 9th of June.
Yeah. Oh.
From Sunday. What?
I get my wisdom teeth out on the 4th.
You can be alright. That's what it is. 5 more days. After it. It's a whole week after it.
Yeah, y'all, I'm getting my wisdom teeth out. That is an upcoming event. Oh, y'all.
Dang deep.
I forgot to tell y'all what happened. Matter of fact, now that we on here, what happened was the day I was supposed to get my wisdom teeth done, the night before I took the pill, just then and there was like 8 o'clock maybe, but that night, y'all remember that quote unquote music video we were supposed to be making to intro, whatever you want to call it. What had happened was that thunderstorm affected everything. He had to go to court. I was supposed to get my wisdom teeth done. They want to call me and tell me, well, I'm sorry. I took it at 8 o'clock. There they go calling me at like 8:02 or something and telling me that they're going to have to reschedule it. So now I'll be getting my wisdom teeth out on June 4th. Not happy.
It's crazy.
So be looking forward to me to be talking smack and saying all kinds of stuff. I gotta see if you're gonna be able to take me.
What day is it?
Backtrack it from the night.
It's probably like a Monday or Tuesday or something. Oh, probably the next. Dang, she got a big hunk of ice at the bottom though. It's hard.
Mm-hmm.
It's rock hard. I think it's almost like he meant to. I don't know. Maybe it just got so cold down there and molded itself back into it.
I got one too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Super cold. Let me get some. Get some.
Didn't you say you didn't want none?
Just let me get some.
No, because you said you didn't want. Ain't that funny, y'all? Y'all know they said every time I offer him something. No, I don't want any. I don't want any.
Just give me some.
No, because you should have said you wanted some the first time. So learn your lesson this time. Uh-oh, they're looking for us.
Oh my God.
I was hungry since we got here. Let me see how much money I got. Probably get us some from Burger King. The little dollar nuggets. Forgot about that, huh?
We got that stuff at home.
I ain't gonna be able to go back to the house.
Yes, you are. That was 2 o'clock. It's 1:30.
I'm gonna go back over there.
What's that?
Duh. That's why I stayed, don't I?
Sure. Where they at?
In Texas.
I'm saying they probably. What time they left?
Early this morning. It's gonna take a while for them to get back.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They probably just made down there like a couple hours ago.
The appointment was at 12.
I think they went to the dealership.
I go see 3 cars or something like that.
I ain't gonna be back to about 7, 8.
Cellmate.
6 or 6, 7.
You gonna get the biggest piece.
Just want some of that ice cream with it.
Boy. That's what I hate about eating, so everybody wanna come take a piece of your stuff. All right now.
Big old truck passing behind us, back plural. Cold?
It's making me cold.
Yeah, it's 100 degrees outside.
Oh my God.
We down here in Louisiana, y'all. Where the
sunshine partially. Sometimes it's raining. Sometimes it's cold. And the next day it'll be hot as I don't know what. Then it'll be cold the next day. And then it'll be raining the next day. You don't never know what she wants. She's so bipolar.
It's Mother Nature.
Stay on her menstrual. And if you don't know what I mean cycle.
But yeah, y'all, we finna wrap this thing up for y'all.
No, we're not.
Yes,
We're finna go to BK.
That's another video. But we out this thing. Appreciate it if you tuned in to the vlog. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button so you don't miss any videos.
Any of them. Make sure you do all that and keep all that.